Do you want to be able to use the same WhatsApp account on two separate phones without having to log out of the first phone? How to do it? According to WhatsApp, an account can only be verified with one number on one device. And if you try to log in with the same number on another device, it will automatically get disabled on the first one. So, is there any way to use the same WhatsApp number on multiple devices? Let's find out. Use same WhatsApp number on multiple devices. Use same WhatsApp number on multiple devices. To be honest, there's no direct way to use the same WhatsApp number on two or more devices at a given time. However, we do have a workaround in the form of WhatsApp Web that will help you log on to your account on another device without disturbing the primary phone. As of now, WhatsApp Web allows only one additional device. Therefore, apart from your current smartphone, you can use it on either your secondary phone. To learn more about this topic, watch this video without skipping. Follow the steps carefully. 1. If you use two phones and want to use one WhatsApp account on both the devices, first download the WhatsCan Pro app on your secondary phone. Ensure to connect the phone to a stable internet connection. 2. Open the app and click on Get Started option. You might have been wait for the next page to open because of ads. 3. The app will then take you to a page with several options. Click on WhatsApp option right. 4. On clicking the option, it will take you to a page that looks exactly like WhatsApp web page with a QR code. 5. Now that your primary phone and head over to the WhatsApp web option on the settings menu. 6. Open it and place it over the secondary Android phone to scan the QR code. 7. After scanning, your WhatsApp account will open on the second phone as well, and you will be able to use it. However, it must be noted that the account of the second phone will look as if it is opened on a browser and not an app. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget like this video. Also, if you have any questions regarding this video, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please consider subscribe, otherwise see you next time.